Velur. Who introduced doctrine of lapse? Lord Dalhousie. Correct. Who is called as father of liberator of press? Lord Metcalfe. Who is called as father of English education system in India? Lord Thomas Macaulay. Okay, next. Who introduced, that is done, right? Okay. 1857, who was the Governor General? 1857, who was the Governor General? Lord Canning. Okay, next. Who was the first Viceroy? Lord Canning. Okay. Who was the Governor General during the formation of Indian National Congress? Who was the Governor General during formation of Indian National Congress? Lord Dufferin. Okay. During Bengal partition, who was the Governor General? Lord Curzon. You have written. Okay. Next. During Surat split, Lord Morley and Minto. Okay. Next. On which date Gandhiji came to India? 9th January 1915. Okay. Next. You have non-cooperation movement, Dandi March, all these things, right? Okay. Purna Swaraj was on which year? Rahul and Balram, you can go back. You start doing that math, square and square roots. 1929, Purna Swaraj. Okay. Who was the president of Indian National Congress when Purna Swaraj was declared? Who was the president of Indian National Congress when Purna Swaraj was declared? Hmm. Answer. Jawaharlal Nehru, raise your hand. Motilal Nehru, raise your hand. Jawaharlal Nehru is the answer. Okay. Where was the Purna Swaraj declaration? Where was the Purna Swaraj? Lahore. Okay. Good. Still many things are there. I am not telling it. Lokmanya Tilak. Okay, we have discussed this in future classes. Once again, we'll do a refresh course. ठीक है? You have to revise it. ठीक है? Write down now. Permutation and combination. Switch off the fan there. Everyone, switch off the fan. Permutation. You too can do your homework if you want. Okay. This is not your chapter. You Yeah. You have your homework. You do it in half an hour. I'll come. 6 o'clock. I'll come. You can go back, take chair, and go back and do. Okay. Permutation and combination. Okay. Some of the students, you already know this chapter. Some of the students are new to this. Okay. So those who know, just silently watch. You may have something new. Those who don't know, those who are in 11th standard, lift it up. Lift that chair up. Bag akila bhai. Path it. Slow. Huh. Lift the chair and go slowly. Okay. Those who are in first PUC, raise your hand. 11th standard. Okay. Second PUC, you had this chapter? Yes. Second, you are in second PUC? Okay, fine. So here, permutation and combination, very easy and interesting. Okay, chapter, for example, here there are some formulas, NCR, N factorial, okay, all those things. So first of all, if I write A, B and C, there are three people, A, B and C. I want to arrange them in line. In how many ways I can arrange them? For example, don't tell. First I can make A, after A, B can come, after B, C can come. Next, I can make A, next C, next B. Next B, A, C. Next B, C, A. Next C, A, B. Next C, B, A. That's it. In this many ways, I can arrange the people in line. So how many ways we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If there are 3 people, how many ways I can arrange them in line? 6. Now how do I get this? Imagine if I ask you A, B, C, D, 4 people are there. I have to arrange them in line. So what happens? Don't tell the answer. I told you, don't tell the answer. So what happens? Candidates will do like this: A, B, C, D, again A, C, B, D, again A, C, D, B. Okay, it goes on like this. It is time consuming process. So in order to save time, what are you going to do? You are going to use a formula that is n factorial. Okay, n factorial. Now if I ask you what is 2 factorial, you will write 2 into 1. If I ask you 3 factorial, I don't want answer. When I ask answer, that time you tell. जब मुंह खोलना है तब नहीं खोलेंगे, ठीक है? 3 into 2 into 1. Next, if I ask you what is 4 factorial, answer is 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Next, 5 factorial. What happens? 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Like this it goes on. Now those who are in first PU, second PU trying for competitive examination, you should by heart the values in 9 factorial. Because beyond 9 factorial they are not going to ask questions. Okay, so I want in your notebook the values of 2 factorial, 3, 4, 5 till 9. Start doing it. Quickly do it. Yes. Have you done? What is 4 factorial? 2, 6, next 24. 5 factorial? 120. 6 factorial? 720. 7 factorial? 5040. 8? 40? 3209? 3? 28? 80. Okay, so you have to by heart these values. Now why? Because it is going to save time. Okay, now the next formula is NCR. Okay, the answer is n factorial bracket n minus r bracket complete factorial into r factorial. This is the formula. Okay. Now suppose if I ask you what is 5c3 value, so what I am going to do, I will write 5 factorial. This is 5 minus 3 bracket factorial into what factorial? 3 factorial. So now what happens? This can be written as 5 factorial divided by 5 minus 3 is how much? 2 factorial into 3 factorial. See, some of the students will do like this. 5 factorial value is 120. 2 factorial value is 2. 3 factorial value is 6. So what they do? 120 divided by 2 into 6. They will write like this. Then they will cancel. Don't do like this. Okay, what is this number? 2 factorial. What is this number? 3 factorial. Which is bigger one here? 3 is bigger, right? So here what you do, 5 factorial can be written as 5 into 4 into 3 factorial. Do you understand? It can be written as 5 into 4 into 3 factorial divided by what is this here? 2 factorial into 3 factorial. Now what can I cancel? 3 factorial and 3 factorial I can cancel. Now what happens? 2 ones are 2 twos are. 2 into 5 is how much? 10. Okay. So what is the value of 5c3? 5c3 is how much? 10. This is very important in our calculation now. Okay, very important in permutation combination. Now here, suppose if I ask you to arrange 4 people in a line, so I will use 4 factorial. Now A, B, C, D, E, how many candidates are here? 5 people are there. Arrange them in line. What is the answer? 5 factorial. What is 5 factorial value? 120. You got the answer. Easy, right? 120. Now if I say there are 4 people, I want to arrange them in circle. A, B, C, D. I want to arrange them in circle. So at that time what happens? The formula becomes, Vivek, n minus 1 factorial. What is the formula? N minus 1 factorial. Now imagine here how many candidates are there? 4 candidates are there. So what I do? 4 minus 1 bracket factorial. What is 4 minus 1? 3. So what I write? 3 factorial. What is 3 factorial? 6. I can arrange these people in how many possible ways? 6 possible ways. These are all basic questions. Okay, make your fundamentals strong. Then I give you higher level questions. Okay. So here, this is the first problem that I am going to solve. N factorial, n minus 1 factorial if the people are arranging in circle. Do you understand? Take down the first question. In how many possible ways can 7 people arranged in circle? Don't tell the answers. Those who have finished, raise your hand. In how many possible ways can 7 people be arranged in circle? Yes, Mokshit, what you did? Yeah? 720 is the answer, is it right? Why it is 720? Okay, you are going to check whether it is in line or whether it is in circle. If it is in circle, what you are going to do? N minus 1. N minus 1 factorial. 7 minus 1 is 6. 6 factorial is 720. Easy? Okay, fine. Next, in your chapters, you have 2 words and an OR. Permutation, combination, probability. In this chapter, you will have a word that is and an OR. Okay, so now what happens? Whenever you see this word and, okay, you are going to multiply. Whenever you see this word or, you are going to add. How the question will be? For example, in a class there are 5 teachers. In a class there are 5 teachers, 6 boys and 7 girls. 5 teachers, 6 boys and 7 girls. I am going to select 2 teachers, 3 boys in one team. Second team, 3 teachers and 5 girls in the second team. Team 1 or team 2 may go for the competition. So when I say and, you are going to multiply. Team 1 or, what is the word here? Or. So whenever you see or, what are you going to do? Plus. So here what happens? You are going to use NCR formula. Okay, something like that. Do you understand? Okay. So this is the first thing. Next, now here in this is NPR formula, permutation formula. NPR is n factorial n minus r factorial. That's it. And what is NCR formula? Tell me. Okay, so here extra r factorial will be there, here r factorial will not be there. Do you understand? This is permutation, this is combination. Now you may ask me, sir, when I am going to use this formula and when I am going to use this formula. In your question, if there is a word select, okay, select, you are going to use permutation. If you have select and arrange, if you have a word select and arrange, so that time you will use NCR formula. Do you understand? So these things you have to keep in mind: and, or, select, select and arrange, n factorial, n minus 1 factorial. Did you all understand? Right? Okay, so shall we solve some questions now? Okay, take down, draw an arrow, write down repetition and without repetition. Repetition and without repetition. Completed? Okay, look here now, pens down. Understand this chapter, it is easy. I write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There is a basket, okay, there is a bag. Inside that bag, I have number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, I have 7 numbers. Now 1, 2, 3. I make 3 dash. I want to make 3 digit number. I want to make 3 digit number. So I say with use of this numbers you have to make 3 digit number. So tell me here first what number shall I take? Yes, Pujita, tell me what number shall I take here? Okay, Pujita is telling 5. Okay, next Shreya, tell me what number shall I take here? 4. Shreya is telling 4. Next Mokshit, tell me 7. Anirudh, tell me 5. So now here there is a problem. Each one is telling different things. So have compromise. I take, can I take all this 7 here? Out of this 7, any number can come here. Yes or no? Out of this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Out of this 7, anyone can come here. So I write 7 possibilities. How many possibilities I have? Did you understand? Okay. Now I say one condition. If you use one number, once again you should not use that number. One number is gone. Again you should not use that number. Now tell me, starting how many numbers were there? 7. One number you used. How many remaining? 6. Now how many possibilities? 6 possibilities. Now how many remaining? 5. Now how many possibilities? 5. So now what I can do, 7 into 6 into 5 gives me 210. So how many 3 digit numbers I can make? 210. Now tell me, once if I am using a number, can I repeat that number? Can I repeat that number? No. This is without repetition. This kind of question is what? Without repetition. Now if I give you a condition, okay, 3 digit number, this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Out of this I want to make 3 digit number. You use any number, again you can keep using it. Again you can keep using it. Tell me, how many possibilities here? Again how many possibilities here? Why 7? Because I can use this number, I can repeat this number, and here 7. So answer is 340. Multiply 7 into 7 into 7 is how much? 343. Easy? Yes? Okay, shall we do one more question now? Okay, look at this now. I write 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma, okay, I write 4 and 2 digit. Okay, I want to make 2 digit number. Okay, don't solve, idhar dekho. 2 digit number. First let us try with repetition and without repetition. So with repetition, how many numbers possible here? Out of this 4, any 4 can come here. How many? Now with repetition, again can I use 4? So 4 into 4 is how much? 16. Now without repetition, here how many possibilities? 4. How many remaining? 3. So 4 into 3 is how much? That's it. If you understand this, your permutation combination will be easy. These chapters will be easy. Okay. So take down this first question. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many 3 digits number can be made? How many 3 digits number can be made? By the numbers 1 to 3 till 9. Wait, with repetition and without repetition. Try both. With repetition will be 9 cube, correct? That is how much? 729, correct? And without repetition it will be 9 into 8 into 7. सबको मिल रहा है? मोक्षित को मिला? Fine, good. Okay. Now you take 0 here. ठीक है? Now the question is the same. Make 4 digit number. How many 4 digits number can be made by the numbers 0 to 9? How many 4 digit number can be made between 0 to 9? with repetition and without repetition, both. Four digit numbers. Yes, विश्रुत को मिल रहा है. Who has finished it? Yes. With repetition, how much you get? Okay, look here. Look here. Pens down for 2 seconds. Look here. Okay, इधर देखो. First digit में how many possibilities? First digit में how many possibilities? 10 or 9? What you took? 10. Then wrong. Because see, if I say 022, is it a 3 digit number or a 2 digit number? 2 digit number. So can I take 0 here? Can I take 0 in the first thing? No. So I cannot take 0 in the first case. So remaining how much? 9. Now I take 9. Okay, now I take 9. Now repetition. If repetition is allowed, now take. How many numbers are there? 10. Again 10 can be used. Again 10 can be used. This is the answer. Do you understand? Now without repetition, okay, this is 4. Okay, here I'll cancel. That means 9 possibilities. Now again 9 possibilities. Again 8, again 7. Now multiply this and tell me the answer. 4, 5? Correct. 4, 5, 3, 6 कितने लोगों को मिला? That's the right answer. Okay, so how many of you understood this? Come in quick. Okay, look at this. 9 and 9. Take chair and come forward. How many of you understood this? Everyone understood this? Now tell me why I am taking 9 here. Why not I am taking 10 here? Without repetition, correct? One number is already here. So remaining how much? 9. So what is the answer? 9, 8 and 7. You have to multiply like this. ठीक है? Take down next question. Those chairs are broken. How many numbers between 2000 and 3000 can be formed? How many numbers between 2000 and 3000 can be formed with the digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7? Repetition not allowed. Seventh. Repetition not allowed. Come. Repetition not allowed. Yes. The chair is broken. Be careful. Take chair from inside. हो गया सभी का? क्या आंसर मिला? 42. Okay, how many of you got 42? Anyone else getting any other answer? Okay, look here. Pens down. What is the question? Read out. How many numbers can be formed between 2000 and 3000, and what is the values given here? So 2000 and 3000, is it 2 digit number, 3 digit number, or 4 digit number? So what will I do? 1, 2, 3, 4. Done. The number should start from 2000. Correct? It should start from 2000 and it should be less than 3000. It should not exceed even 3. 3000 भी नहीं आना चाहिए. तो इधर what number should come here? What number should come here? 2. Now in this, how many 2 I have? How many 2 I have? 1. So I will write what? 1. What is this number here? I will cancel this without repetition. What is this here? Without repetition. In hurry, what you do? You take this 2 here. टू लिया किसी ने? ओके, नाउ इधर वन ले लिया. नाउ काउंट 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. We had 8 numbers. Out of 8, one is already used. So how many possibilities? 7. Next 5. Multiply this. 210 is the correct answer. 210 is the correct answer. हो गया Ismail? Yes Ajay, you understanding? Why? What's the doubt? அதான் கொஞ்சம் ஒரு செகண்ட் மிஸ் ஆச்சுன்னா அவ்வளோதான். ஓகே, இன் மராட்டி தெர் இஸ் அ சேயிங், இன் ஹைவேஸ் இட் வில் பி ரிட்டன். ஓகே, அதி காய் சங்கடாத் நெய். 1 second you close your eyes, you are dead in highway. Okay, like that. Look at this now. Once again I'll explain. Try to concentrate. Those who are late, look here. The question demands that you have to make number which is between 2000 and 3000. Okay, so 4-digit number. This doubt is clear. 4-digit number. The number should start with what number here? 2. Can I start with 3? Can I start with 4? So what is the only possibility? 2. So in this list, how many 2 I have? Only 1. So only one possibility of number coming here. Okay, so close this now. This number I have already taken. So now I have how many numbers left? 7 numbers left. Out of this 7, how many possibilities? 7. Remaining how much? 6. How many possibility? 6. Remaining how much? 5. How many possibilities? 5. So this is the answer. Repetition means 1 2 3 4. Here I know only 2 should come. So what will I do? Write here. I will write 1. Now repetition is allowed, that means 2 is allowed. So now count how many numbers? 8 8 8. So this will become 8 cube. ठीक है, चलो. Did you understand? Okay, write down. Next question. 5 Indians, 5 Indians, 7 Pakistanis, and 6 Dutch. 5 Indians, 7 Pakistanis, and 6 Dutch are to be seated in a row, are to be seated in a row with the same nationality. With the same nationality. How many possible ways can be made? How many possible ways we have to make the sitting arrangement? Start doing it. Seven Pakistanis, 5 Indians, and 6 Dutch. And 6 Dutch. We have to make them arranged in a row, sitting arrangement of same nationality. They should not mix up. India and Pakistan will not mix, that's different. Okay, but they should not mix up. ठीक है? Try. What you did? Plus you did 5 factorial plus. So we have 3 people, Pakistanis, Indians and Dutch. Correct? How many Pakistanis I have? 7. How many Indians I have? 5. And here? 6. Imagine I will write like this. Okay. P1, P2, P3, P4, P5, P6 and P7. Here I 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Indians. ठीक है? And here Dutch D1 to D6. ठीक है? Now 3 nationalities will always sit together. मतलब ये लोग इधर ही बैठेंगे, इनके साथ ही बैठेंगे. They will sit together here, they will sit together here. Now imagine, can you tell me Pakistani will only come first? Are you sure with that? Are you sure with that? Can you tell that Dutch will be coming first? No. So how many possibilities I have? Remember this question, A, B, C. 3 people, wait. 3 people, I have to arrange them in line. How many possibilities? 6, or you can say 3 factorial, correct? Yes. So I will write this as what? 3 factorial. I will write this as what? 3 factorial. But there is a problem. Still the question is not over. Look here. Okay. There is a problem. Look here. Don't talk here, Shreyas. All these Pakistanis are fighting with each other. मैं पहले बैठूंगा. I will be in the front row. P3 is telling no, I will be in the front row. So there is a fight. So imagine one Pakistani, Indians and Dutch. Now among these people, among these 7 people, I don't know which will come first. So how many possible ways to arrange these 7 people? 7 factorial. Do you understand? How many ways to arrange this 5 people? 5 factorial. How many ways to arrange these 6 people? 6 factorial. So answer is 3 factorial into 7 factorial into 5 factorial into 6 factorial. Including all this arrangement, we have this many ways. Do you understand? This is the answer. Take it down. Yes. Shall we move ahead with next question? समझ में आ रहा है सभी को? I don't want the last value, just इतना ही रखो. 3 into 7 into 5 into 6. बस उतना ही रखो. And don't do like this. Factorial common है. So 3 into 7 into 6 into 5 common factorial. Don't do like that. That is wrong. You cannot take like this. Okay. Chalo, next question. Take it down. Raju have 5 English books. Raju have 5 English books, 6 science books and 3 maths books. In how many possible ways he can arrange the books so that all the books are always together? Yes. You have English, then you have science, and then you have maths. How many? See, first thing is you have to check how many people are here. 3. In how many ways I can arrange these 3 people? Don't say 6. 3 factorial. But inside English, how many books I have? 5. So can I arrange 5 factorial ways? Here what happens? 6, and here 3 factorial. This is the answer. That's it. Okay. क्या हुआ? नहीं चाहिए, कैलकुलेशन नहीं चाहिए. टेक डाउन. नेक्स्ट. In how many possible ways I can arrange the word arise? No condition. Try it. In how many possible ways I can arrange the word arise? Answer. Are you sure? உங்க ரெண்டு பேருக்கு வந்துச்சா? Surya. Okay. If you don't get it, this was a direct question from Agniveer GD question. Do you understand? That's why I'm trying to do. Even if God comes, the God will be fed up. That's why he is in stone, in the shape of stone in temples. Do you understand? கடவுளே வந்தாலும் வந்து காப்பாற்ற முடியாது. ஏன் தெரியுமா? நம்ம வந்து இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட் எடுத்து பார்க்க மாட்டேன்றோம். ஓகே, மனிஷ் நோட்புக் लाओ इधर. लाओ इधर. कितने क्वेश्चंस लिखा निकालो. आर यू राइटिंग? ये वाला क्वेश्चन सब क्यों नहीं लिखा? यू आर इन विच स्टैंडर्ड? टेक सीरियसली. ओके, इंटरेस्ट निकल जाएगा पढ़ाई से, 11th में ही निकल जाएगा. द मोस्ट डिफिकल्ट इन PUC is 11th first PUC. If you pass first PUC, second PUC is very easy. Okay, remember this. Then don't say 12th में मैं फेल हो गया, मेरे को समझ में नहीं आया. क्यों फेल होता है? डिफरेंशिएशन 11th में नहीं आया. फर्स्ट PUC में डिफरेंशिएशन नहीं आएगा, 12th में तुमको इंटीग्रेशन नहीं आएगा. समझ में आया? Okay, so this was a direct question, and my students, those who have cracked GD examination, I have taught the same thing in the previous class, and they have cracked it. Look at this. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. I will make 5 dash. I want to arrange these people in line. That's it. So how many possible ways? Just directly. What is that? 5 factorial ways. This was a question for GD level, Agnipath, Navik exam, something like that. Next question for you guys, NDA students. In same question, in how many possible ways the word arise can be arranged so that the vowels will come always together? Start doing it. So that the vowels will come always together. Trisha, just come here. Start doing it. You too. 6 மணிக்கு வருது. After sunset you are coming. And before the moon arise you go home. Take it. Start solving. Don't write anything on this. I want the paper back. Each and every question, solve it in your notebook. Okay. Yeah, square root. afcat you are writing? No, are you writing in future? But it will be in your OIR test like that. Just go through it. 10-20 minutes go through it. Don't solve then. In how many possible ways I can arrange the word? Yeah? Yeah. Are you sure? 100% sure? 720? 72? क्या किया? Okay, इधर देखो सब लोग. 1 2 3 4 5. Totally how many letters? 5. Okay, now I am asking, the vowels should always come together. A, I, E. Okay, so A, I, E, they will always be together. Remaining is what? Remaining is what? R and S. So take like this. 1 2 3. So what is the answer? 3 factorial. Do you understand? But can you say A will come first, I will come first, E will come first? No. So inside these 3 people what happens? 3 factorial. This is the answer. Do you understand? So this 3 factorial into arranging of these 3 people. Got the point? Okay, next question. Take it down. In how many possible ways I can arrange the word army? Four factorial. India nature. रुको. I'll go with next question. Okay, take down next question. In how many possible ways I can arrange the word Patna? In how many possible ways I can arrange the word Patna? Are you writing the question? Question எழுதுறியா? பட்னான்னு மட்டும் எழுதாத, ஃபுல்லா எழுது. Yeah, what you got? Wait. Bujita क्या किया? 120. Okay, look here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is 5 factorial? You will write 5 factorial. ठीक है? But how many letters are repeated? So down you will write 2 factorial. This is the answer. Do you understand? A new type of question. समझ में आ रहा है? Okay, next. In how many possible ways? Try this now. Ahmedabad, what is the answer? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So ऊपर क्या आएगा? 9 factorial. How many A is repeated? 3. How many D is repeated? 2. Anything else is repeated? Enough. Stop here. Okay, next. This is 11 factorial by? Everyone understood? Okay, Mississippi. Okay, next question. In how many possible ways the word equation can be arranged so that all the vowels will always be together? Yes. First you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So totally how many numbers I have? 8. How many vowels I have? All the vowels are here. Right. So what happens? All the vowels will be always together. A, E, I, O, U. Remaining is what? Q, T and N. Q, T and N. Now count. 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many possibilities? 4 factorial. But there is a problem here. What is the answer for this? 5 factorial. So what is this? 4 factorial into 5 factorial. You understand? Okay, now look at this. Before going to the next question, understand the logic. Imagine here 30 students are there. In that 30 students, only one girl is there. Only one girl. Now, I want to select that girl as a captain. I want to select that girl as a captain. How many possibility I have? How many possibility I have? 1. Why? Because one girl. Suppose if there are 2 girls, 2 possibility out of 30. Okay, so this is the question here. A next type of question, imagine, take down, there are 11 players in a team. There are 11 players in a team. In how many possible ways I can select? In how many possible ways I can select a captain and a vice captain? A captain and a vice captain. Captain and vice captain. Okay, look here. How many players are there? Now, can you tell me how many possible ways is there to select a captain? Out of this 11, any person can be there. So, I have 11 possibility. One person is already a captain. Can he be a vice captain? So, now remaining how much? 10. Now, how many people possibility of vice captain? 10. So, 11 into 10 is how much? 110. So, how many possibilities I have? 110. Do you understand? புரியுதா சூர்யா? புரியலையா? ஒரு டீம்ல 11 பேர் இருக்காங்க. நான் ஒரு கேப்டனை செலக்ட் பண்ண போறேன். எத்தனை பாசிபிலிட்டி இருக்கு? 11 பேர்ல யாராச்சும் ஒருத்தர் இருக்கலாம். 11 பேர்ல சோ டோட்டல் 11 பாசிபிலிட்டி. ஒருத்தர் கேப்டன் ஆயிட்டாங்க. மீதி பேர் எத்தனை பேர் இருக்காங்க இப்போ? 10 பேர் இருக்காங்க. சோ இந்த 10ல இப்போ வைஸ் கேப்டன் நான் செலக்ட் பண்ண போறேன். சோ எத்தனை பாசிபிலிட்டி? 10. ஓகே, 10 மெம்பர்ல இப்போ யாராச்சும் ஒருத்தர் ஆக போறாங்க வைஸ் கேப்டன். சோ 10 பாசிபிலிட்டி. சோ டோட்டல் எப்பவுமே டோட்டல் அப்படினா 11 into 10. What is the answer? 110. Do you understand? Okay, next question. Write down Tom and Jerry. Okay, look here now. Tom the cat is here. Okay. And the Jerry the mouse is here. Now the Tom wants to catch this Jerry. So he is going to enter this house, from this house, and catch. He has one route. First route is one route and two routes. How many routes he has? Two routes. Next, imagine here there is two houses. Now how many possibilities? 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 possibilities. If I have another house here, now what happens? 1, 2, then sorry, this is 1, 2, then 3, 4, then 5, 6. So how many possibilities? 6. What is happening here? How many houses I have? 3. How many houses I have? 2. What is 3 into 2? So you are just going to simply multiply. You're going to multiply. Okay, ready? Take down the question. From Delhi to Bangalore, there are 7 routes. And from Bangalore to Chennai, there are 6 routes. There are 6 routes. Find the total number of ways to reach from Delhi to Chennai. Delhi to Chennai. What is the answer? What you did? Okay, remember this. Okay, 7 into 6. Actually, I'm telling you shortcut, but there you have to use like this: NCR, 7C1, 6C1. So here the answer will be 7. Here the answer will be 6. 7 into 6 is how much? 42. Okay, something like that. Next, write down. A boy had 6-digit pin as a mobile screen. वो क्या होता है? Screen lock, right? हाँ, yeah, हाँ, lock screen, mobile lock screen, 6-digit number. He forgot that 6-digit number, but he remembers the first number is 3 and the last number is 7. And the last number is 7. Find how many possible ways he can try to open that screen lock. Yes, 10 to the power of 4. करो करो ट्राई करो. Yes, 10,000. You're telling less. Yeah, what you did? Okay, look here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many digit number? 6 digit number. What is the first number he can recall? 3. What is the last number? 7. Now, इधर देखो सब लोग, इधर देखो. Look here. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Consider this question as a non-repetition, without repetition. So if the question is without repetition, I cannot use this 3 and I cannot use this 7, right? Now tell me how many possible ways are here? 8. Next, you multiply only this. 8 into 7 into 6 into 5. 8 into 7 into 6 into 5. That will give you the answer. Otherwise, if the question is repetition, what happens? Here, I can use what? 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, like that. Okay? So, what is the answer for this? 8765 1680. ठीक है, डन. नहीं, मैंने कंडीशन दिया नहीं, लेकिन देंगे, कंडीशन देंगे. Then you check the option. It goes with. वो ऐसे नहीं होगा, लेकिन क्वेश्चन में दिया जाएगा. रिपीटिशन नॉन रिपीटिशन क्वेश्चन में नहीं दिया तो ऑप्शन में देखो. ऑप्शन में दोनों दिया है तो दोनों टिक करो, ए एंड बी, बी एंड सी, समथिंग लाइक दैट. अगर ऑप्शन ए अलग है, बी अलग है और समथिंग है, यू लीव दैट क्वेश्चन. ठीक है, चलो. Fine. So these are the basic questions of permutation combination. Then you have next chapter is probability. Okay, that we'll do it tomorrow. ठीक है, fine. Just come, some of you come here. एक बंदा इधर आओ, इसको पीडीएफ में कन्वर्ट करके भेजो. यस, इधर आओ, इधर आओ. तुम उसको पीडीएफ कन्वर्ट करके व्हाट्सएप में भेजो. और परम्यूटेशन कॉम्बिनेशन इसको तुम पीडीएफ में कन्वर्ट करके व्हाट्सएप में भेजना मुझे अभी तुरंत. Okay, now a PDF will be coming in your mobile phone. I want all the answers, solutions in your notebook. ठीक है, this is 11th standard first view exercise I have done, including miscellaneous. And tomorrow I'll give you exemplar का questions और okay, practice questions और भी है. I'll give you slowly, one by one. In one go, if I give you, you'll confuse. चलो. Do it fast and write topic name permutation करके, confuse हो जाएगा. बाइनोमियल थ्योरम का सारा क्वेश्चंस किया? हैव यू वो जो मैंने दिया था यहाँ से, मेरे नोटबुक से दिया था, कुछ डाउट है? They will ask you the ratio. Okay, the 9th term is in the ratio with the 8th term. Okay, find the ratio, something like that. ठीक है, इंडिपेंडेंट करना है. क्या है उसमें, तो कुछ नहीं है. या see, independent of these values and all, what you should do, what is a term here? Tr plus 1. This is ncr x to the power of n minus r a to the power of r. So independent of x term, so this you have to focus, n minus r. N minus r you take it as 0. So from here you have to find the value of r. That term is independent of this x value. ठीक है? नहीं, अगर नहीं दिया है तो आर वैल्यू नहीं दिया है आपको, डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चन है. फॉर एग्जांपल 2x plus y is equal to 17. which term is independent of this x, the first term. So this first term what you should do, 2x to the power of n minus r जब आएगा ना, this is equal to 0, ऐसा करके लेना है, ठीक है। तो n17 ऐसा लेना है, ठीक है।